Hello everyone, welcome back to ComputerZen. Today we are going to learn how to add two numbers in Java programming. So let us see how it is done. So before that we have to get some concept about class, object, keyword and void. So before moving to our program, we will learn what are these classes, objects and keywords. So let us see. A class is a user-defined blueprint or prototype from which objects are created. It represents the set of properties or methods that are common to all objects of one type. Now object. An object is a single instance of a class. Now you can create many objects from same class type. Now we can see the characteristics of objects are state, it represents data of the object, behavior, which represents the behavior of such an object as deposit, withdraw, anything. Also it has some identity. So there are many different keywords in Java such as switch, abstract, interface, enum, static and boolean. These all are the keywords which are required to do Java programming. Now if we talk about void, it is a keyword and it is used to specify that a method doesn't return anything. As main method doesn't return anything, so its return type is void. So we can see public static void main, where public is the access modifier, static is a keyword, void is the return type, main is the method name, string is the string class and argument is the array of string objects. So now you all can see that we have come to our laptop screen and now we will do the addition for two numbers in Java. So we will go and on the project option we will select new project. Then we will give a name to the new project, like we have given the name as sum. So this is the text editor. So this is the written format of it, but we don't need it in our program. So we will right click and we will see this is a abstract class. So we are going to give it a class name. It is a class type and we will do it OK. So now we will open the editor. Now we can see that there is a structure of the program sample has been given. We don't need it. So we will select and we will remove it. We are going to write our own program. So we will write first of all the class name, that is public class. We have given the class name as sum. Now under this class name we have to write the public static void main. Under the class we are writing the static void main. So after writing this statement we will take inputs. Int n1 equals to 225, n2 equals to, let us take the value as 115. So we will add these two numbers. So we have to store it in a variable. we will take the variable as sum. So sum equals to, as usual, n1 plus n2. Now we have to print this sum. So this is how we print a line, a number, anything in Java. We write system.out.println. This is the printing statement for Java programming. So within quotes we will write the sum of those two numbers are. We write plus sum. Here we have no argument, so we'll return nothing. So the sum is 340. So this is the output. Again if we do OK, then it will again return 340, and this is how the sum of two numbers are done in Java programming. So this was all for our video. Also we have made a playlist on Java programming and we have two videos on that. Please check it out from the playlist section. So this was all. Thank you and please keep watching. Please like to our channel and subscribe to ComputerZen. Thank you.